Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today we'll talk about 5 common myths associated with low testosterone. Up to 40% of male over the age of 45 suffers from low testosterone, or also called as hypogonadism. Now, hypogonadism is defined when your levels are less than 300 nanogram per deciliter. But more than 40% of the male suffers from suboptimal level of testosterone, which is when your level is just above 300, but you have all the classic symptoms of low testosterone. So low T is more common than you think. So testosterone is the hormone that's present in male and female. So low level of testosterone can affect male and female, and both male and female can have all the symptoms associated with low testosterone. Low testosterone does affect your sex drive and it lowers your libido, but there are more symptoms that are associated with low testosterone, like feeling tired, losing muscle, gaining fat, poor quality sleep, poor metabolism. Low T is related to other health problem, and if you have low testosterone for a long time, can cause other health issues. Not anymore. We offer a low-cost testosterone therapy and we customized plan for male and female. Make sure to find a right testosterone clinic to optimize your level and improve your symptoms. If you have any question, give us a call, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.